Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to refund money on your Taptap Send account. First, open the Taptap Send app on your phone. Go to the customer service section. If you prefer, you can also visit the Taptap Send website in your browser. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Submit a Request. A form will open. Start by entering the email address linked to the transaction you want to refund. Make sure you use the same email that was used when sending the money. Next, write a subject. In this case, type refund. Then, in the description box, clearly explain your request. Include the transaction date, the amount sent, the receiver's name, and any other important details. After that, enter the phone number associated with the transaction. For reason of contact, choose Other from the list. Now, find the payment reference field. Here, you need to enter the transaction ID. You can find this at the bottom of your transaction receipt inside the app. To make your request stronger, upload a screenshot of the transaction receipt in the attachment section. Once you have filled in all the details, click Submit. Your request will be sent to the support team. It may take a few days to process. Keep in mind that refunds are not always guaranteed, but this is the correct way to request one. Thanks for watching.